Hello, my name is Giselle Andrea Marina Arevalo. The house of my dreams is a beautiful modern village surrounded by nature. There is a large front yard in front of the house with a lush green garden and colorful flowers. There are still trees next to the garden. They provide child and beauty. There is a spacious living room inside the house with comfortable sofas and a big fireplace in the corner. There are like windows behind the sofas, letting in plenty of natural light. There is an styling dining room past the kitchen with a one tablet and elegant chairs. In the kitchen, there are modern appliances everywhere with white walls. There is an isla in the middle of the kitchen where we can prepare meals. Next to kitchen is a cozy breakfast nook with a small tablet by the windows. There is a master bedroom and the in from the master bedroom perfect for question children. There is spacious brown den next to the master bedroom with a large bathroom and shower in the corner. There are a lot also two smaller bedrooms near on the bedrooms and which sinks and shower. There is a home office on the same floor. Look at a bedway in the bedrooms. There are blockades full of books against the walls and a big desk in the center with a comfortable chair. The house of my dreams, a perfect combination of comfort, elegance, and nature. It is a fast food plus queer every corner, place like home.